Hey guys, I just got a call from my contractor, and he says that he's all done with the renovations on the house that we're flipping here in San Diego. So I think I'm going to run down there and take a look. Come on, take a ride with me. Well, it looks like my guys have come through again. The guys did a great job renovating this house. It's beautiful. I can't complain about a single thing. All I have left to do now is put it on the market and let's get it sold. But before we do that, I want to take a few minutes right now and go over the numbers with you. Well, my partners and I acquired this property for $280,000. We put about $62,000 into the renovations, and we have about $3,000 in holding costs. So to use a poker term, all in, $345,000. The market value for this home in this neighborhood is around $420,000, and so that gives us a gross profit of $75,000 and an annualized return on investment of 65.2%. Now you know why people flip houses. That's why there's so many TV programs, Flipping Vegas or Flipping Atlanta, whatever, because that's where the big returns are being made. To find out more about us, check us out online at www.americold.com or call us at 800-899-0408 and ask about our joint venture program. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next deal.